Once upon a time, before computers, people stored important information in file cabinets filled with paper files. As technology advanced, they began using computer systems to store data in files like Excel and text documents. But as more and more data piled up, things got messy. Let's imagine a university with two departments, chemistry and computer science. Each department kept its own files, like Excel sheets for its students. But what if a student studied both chemistry and computer science? Their information ended up duplicated in both files, leading to data redundancy. Also, the data might not match between the two files, creating data inconsistency. Another problem arose when someone wanted to gather data from all departments. It was like hunting for pieces of a puzzle scattered across different places. And even if programmers wrote a program to gather the data, it was tough to ensure all files were in the same format. This is called data isolation. Then there's data integrity. Imagine the university wants to make sure no department's account balance goes below zero. It's a headache to check this in every single file, especially if there are hundreds of them. And think about transferring money between departments. You'd want the money to either move fully or not at all, right? But in some systems, it might get deducted from one account without being added to the other, causing problems. This is called atomicity. Now picture two teachers updating the same student's marks at the same time. If one adds 5 marks while the other adds 10, the data gets messed up. This is because both are trying to change the same thing at once, leading to what we call concurrent access anomalies. Lastly, there are security issues. You wouldn't want everyone to see sensitive information like staff payroll. But if it's all in one file, anyone with access can peek at it. To avoid all these problems that we saw with file system processing, including data redundancy and inconsistency, difficulty in accessing data, data isolation, integrity problems, atomicity problems, concurrent access anomalies, security problems is why we need database, and we will see how these issues are fixed in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned, and if this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.